In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn off an iPhone 13 phone. Yes, a lot of people don't know how to turn off the phone because it's not conventional to other iPhones. So, to do that, simply hold down the right button here, the side button, until you see the Apple logo appearing. And then from here, you want to hold down, again, the home button and either the volume up or the volume down button. You can decide, and you just hold them down simultaneously. And then this screen here will appear. And then right here where it says power off, you just swipe it to the right, like this. And that will do the trick. Now, quickly, how to lock or unlock the device. You again press the side button. And what you're going to do is slide the bottom bar up. To lock the iPhone, press the side button. So that's how you lock or unlock an iPhone 13. Alright, thank you for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button.